carrot and my broccoli at home in my kitchen. So basically what I did, I cut up some carrot into some slices. Once I cut it up, I put on a medium-sized pot on the stove. Make the water seems like it's going to get boiled. I don't put no salt in it, natural way. You can steam it if you want, but this is just my option. So I just put it straight inside of the water like that. Once the water boils up, I'm going to add the broccoli. Nice one. So once the carrots start boil like this, into the pot, you know what I mean? That's exactly what you want to see. I'm going to add the broccoli after. Nice one. Nice one. So now, broccoli straight in the water. You want your broccoli to look fresh and nice, all right? Nice, and that's exactly what you want to see. So this is finished now. That's the one your vegetable them to look fresh and nice. Enjoy the recipe, and this is some tips and ideas from Chef Ricardo. And I will see you next time. How to cook your broccoli and carrot at home. Easy recipe. Turn off my stove, and this is good to go. That is it, right here. Look at that. Amazing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye. So I'm just sharing out the vegetable with some curry beef and look at that. That is fantastic. Now we're going to get that nice lovely fresh broccoli and carrot, which we just cook. Alright. That is amazing. Look at that. Put a little bit of coriander on top of it. Look at it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time with more recipe from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.